Thinking about making smarter, faster crypto investments in 2025? Then you're in the right place. Today, let me introduce you to Nexbit Floria, a next-gen AI-driven trading platform that's changing the game for Indian crypto investors. And yes, it works while you sleep. Make sure you're using only the official Nexbit Floria link in the description. That's your secure gateway to getting started. Let's be honest, the crypto market in India never stops. Prices move fast, trends shift in a heartbeat, and missing the moment could cost you. That's where Nexbit Floria comes in. This isn't just another bot, it's a smart, intuitive system built to simplify trading and keep you one step ahead, whether you're just starting out or already experienced. Nexbit Floria acts like your personal trading assistant, powered by advanced AI that monitors the market in real time, tracks whale activity, and reacts with precision beyond manual capabilities. Whether you're working, relaxing, or completely offline, this AI keeps scanning opportunities and making strategic trades on your behalf. No software to download, no complicated setup. The platform runs smoothly right in your browser, on mobile, tablet, or desktop. Sleek, responsive, and designed with Indian users in mind. Security? Top priority. Nexbit Floria adheres to global standards and partners with trusted exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, and Bitfinex. That means deep liquidity, fair pricing, and strong security. Your funds are yours. Withdraw profits anytime. Test strategies in demo mode before committing real funds. Choose your risk level. You're always in full control. From free plans to pro-level tools, Nexbit Floria offers something for everyone. Whether you're dipping your toes in crypto or managing a full-scale portfolio, real users, real results. Nexbit Floria is trusted by over 11,000 users, supports millions of daily trades, and is backed by 14+ years of combined experience in finance and AI. But here's a heads up, fake sites are popping up fast. To stay safe, use only the official Nexbit Floria link in the description below. Ready to start? Just register, fund your account, choose your trading strategy, and let the AI go to work. Most users see results within 24 hours, and you can cash out anytime. If you're serious about leveling up your trading game with one of the most intelligent crypto tools in India, click the link below. Set up your Nexbit Floria account and start now. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. If you found this helpful, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more crypto content from India and beyond. Thanks for watching, and as always, trade smart and stay ahead.